Why publication studies matter. Let's explore and understand it.
Introduction. Publication studies in the pharmaceutical industry, especially related to clinical trials, play a critical role in communicating scientific evidence, ensuring transparency, and supporting regulatory and clinical decision-making. Here's a detailed explanation. What are publication studies? Publication studies refer to the systematic planning, development, and dissemination of results from clinical trials and related research conducted by pharmaceutical companies. These studies are published in peer-reviewed journals, conference abstracts, posters, or presentations to share outcomes with the scientific and medical community, comply with ethical and regulatory expectations, inform prescribers and healthcare stakeholders, influence treatment guidelines and reimbursement. Types of publication studies. The below table shows the type, description, and common output for each publication studies. In primary publications, report results from pivotal, phase 2 or 3 trials with common output as journal articles. In secondary publications, explore additional endpoints, subgroups, or pooled analyses with common output as exploratory papers. In review articles, summarize current evidence on a drug condition with common output as systematic review, meta-analysis. In health economics and outcomes research, HEOR, show value, cost-effectiveness, real-world impact with common output as HEOR-focused journals. In real-world evidence, RWE, publications observational or post-marketing studies with common output as real-world journals, registries. In safety and pharmacovigilance reports, long-term safety, adverse events with common output as drug safety or regulatory journals. Process of developing publication studies. Publication planning. Strategic roadmap for what will be published, when, and by whom. Usually starts in early phase 2 or phase 3, managed by medical affairs, clinical research, and publication teams. Manuscript development, drafted by medical writers or authors, involves statisticians, clinicians, and regulatory experts. Based on predefined statistical analysis plans, SAP. Internal review, reviewed by cross-functional team, clinical, legal, compliance. Journal selection and submission, submitted to appropriate peer-reviewed journal. Peer review and revision process follows. Ethical compliance, follows ICMJE, GPP, Good Publication Practice, and CONSORT guidelines. Must disclose conflicts of interest, funding, authorship contributions. The below tables shows the key guidelines and ethics and their purpose in publication studies. ICMJE, International Committee of Medical Journal Editors, defines authorship and trial registration standards. GPP, Good Publication Practice, ensures ethical and transparent pharma publication. Consort, enhances transparency in reporting randomized trials. Trial registries, clinicaltrials.gov, UDRA CT, mandate public registration and summary results. Real-world example. A pharmaceutical company conducts a phase 3 trial for a new oncology drug. After completing the trial, they publish the primary outcome paper in The Lancet. A safety paper is published in Drug Safety Journal. A cost-effectiveness study is submitted to Value in Health. A real-world registry is published in Journal of Oncology Practice. Importance of publication studies. Scientific credibility, demonstrates rigorous evidence. Regulatory support, supports submissions to FDA, EMA. Healthcare impact, influences prescribing patterns and guidelines. Transparency, mitigates publication bias and selective reporting. Challenges in publication studies, publication bias, positive results more likely to be published. Authorship disputes, delay in results dissemination, ghostwriting and ethical concerns. Conclusion: publication studies form the bridge between scientific discovery and clinical practice. In the pharmaceutical industry, they must be handled with strategic planning, ethical integrity, and rigorous methodology to truly serve patients, providers, and public health.
Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a feedback comment. Your engagement helps save lives by spreading this knowledge. Many thanks for your support and having a great connection.